In this video, we're diving into TikTok search ads, how they work, why they matter, and how to set them up for your own store. What's going on, everyone? My name is Eric Hunsaker, and on this channel, we cut through the fluff to help you grow your online business smarter. By the end of this video, you'll know not only how to launch your first TikTok search ads campaign, but also how to optimize it so you're reaching the right people at the right time. Those high intent buyers already typing in what they want. Why TikTok search ads matter. So here's the big shift. TikTok isn't just entertainment anymore. It's a discovery engine. Research shows that 57% of users use TikTok's search function, and nearly a quarter of them search for something within 30 seconds of opening the app. That means people aren't just mindlessly scrolling. They're actively looking for products, solutions, and inspiration. For e-commerce and dropshipping, that's gold. When someone searches best protein snack for weight loss or cheap phone tripod, they're not in the awareness phase. They're already in the decision-making stage. Showing up in that moment is powerful. Brands that have added search ads alongside their in-feed campaigns have seen up to 20% more conversions at the same or better CPA. That's because you're capturing intent that would otherwise slip away. Think of it like this. In-feed ads are like billboards on a busy street. Search ads are like showing up at the exact aisle in the store where someone's comparing your type of product. What TikTok search ads are. So what exactly is a search ads campaign? A search ads campaign is a dedicated ad type in TikTok Ads Manager. Unlike the older search toggle that mixed placements, this campaign type shows your ads exclusively in the TikTok search results page. So here's how it works. Users hit the search bar from the For You page. They type in a keyword like budget wireless headphones. TikTok shows a mix of organic videos and ads. Your ad can appear among the top results. From the user's perspective, the ad looks and feels like any other TikTok video. It autoplays, can be engaged with, and if it's relevant, it gets clicks. From your perspective, it's laser targeted to specific keywords. Here are the formats available. Spark ads, boosting organic posts, regular video ads, carousel image ads. This is a newer option. Objectives supported, traffic campaigns, web conversions, the one that you'll most often use for e-commerce. So the bottom line is TikTok search ads lets you control when and where you appear, aligning your store with exactly what people are asking about. Setting up your first search ads campaign. So let's walk through it step by step. Step 1, create your campaign. So we're going to log into the TikTok Ads Manager and hit create campaign. From there, choose either traffic or sales and then website conversions. Okay, so here in the campaign creator, this is where we can go ahead and select either traffic. And if you wanted to, you could come down here to that search campaign, or you could come down to sales. And what we could select here is the website. So for this, we'll go to traffic and we'll select this search campaign. So go ahead, click continue. So again, you want to make sure you select the search campaign because this is that dedicated flow just for search placement. Step 2, set up your ad group. Give it a simple name. For example, succulents exact phrase if you sell plants. Make sure to connect your TikTok pixel so conversions track properly. Choose purchase or lead depending on your funnel as the event. Step 3, bidding and budget. So TikTok recommends at least $20 to $30 per day per ad group to gather data. Set your target CPA slightly higher than your true goal so the system has room to learn. For example, if you want a $15 cost per purchase, set it at $17. Remember the 20-to-1 budget to bid ratio. So if your bid is $2, aim for at least a $40 daily budget. Step 4, keywords. This is the heart of search ads. So we'll go to the keywords section, type in a seed keyword. For example, plants, no pun intended. TikTok will suggest related terms with monthly search volumes. Build keyword groups, at least 20 per ad group bundled thematically. Use match types wisely. Exact match is best for high intent phrases like succulent care. Phrase match captures longer queries that include your term. Broad match casts the widest net but can bring irrelevant traffic. Use only if you have a wide catalog. And for a pro tip, start with exact and phrase for quality traffic. Add broader later for scale. Here we go. So under our optimization goal, we can either select click or landing page view. For now, I'll just leave it on click. So here we go for our bidding targeting. Now, again, this part is optional, but we'll go ahead and just put in that number that we talked about earlier, the $17, which is probably way too high for this. And then here we can go ahead and add keywords manually. So we'll go ahead and type in that succulent word that we searched there for that example. And again, this is where we can do that broad or choose that match type. So we can go ahead and choose phrase or exact. For this example, I'll do exact. And as we change these, we can see how it changes up here. So for example, up here at broad, this gave us 62,000 monthly views, whereas exact might be 1,000. So automated keywords here, this lets the system automatically generate those keywords after you add your ads. So this expands high quality traffic to improve performance. For the placements, it's going to be the TikTok search results because that is the type of campaign that we chose. Now here under advanced settings, you can go ahead and check or uncheck these options here. And then don't forget about your targeting options here. So you can go ahead and select these to fit your audiences and your targeting needs. We get down to the budgeting and schedule at the end here. So again, $20 to $30 daily is what TikTok recommends, and that is about what I would start with. Step 5, add negatives. Once your campaign runs, check the search terms report. If you see irrelevant queries like pink shoes when you only sell black ones, add them as negative keywords to save your budget. Step 6, creative. Your ad creative should mirror the search term. If the keyword is plants for beginners, create a video titled 3 Easy Plants for Beginners. Upload 5 to 20 videos per ad group. TikTok's algorithm will test and serve the best match. Keep your headline short and keyword focused. Again, best indoor plants for beginners, succulent sale, 20% off. Add a CTA that fits the intent. Shop now, order today, learn more. Step 7, preview and publish. Use the preview tool in Ads Manager to see how your ad looks in search results. Make any tweaks, then hit publish. So here we go. Now we have our ad name here. We can go ahead and add our ad creative, our image and videos here, as well as change our call to action. Then we want to select our destination where we want to take people. So this would be where you go ahead and paste in your landing page. And again, remember to install the TikTok Pixel on your website to get the best tracking data possible. Once you're ready, go ahead and click publish all. Crafting high intent creatives. So search ads aren't about flashy production. They're about relevance. So here's how to make creatives that perform. Match the query. If someone searches succulent watering tips, show a 15-second demo on watering succulents. Use natural TikTok style. Vertical, quick cuts, captions, and UGC vibes work best. Front load the keyword. Mention it in the first 3 seconds and add in text overlay. Batch content. Record a day of videos covering your top 10 to 15 keywords. Remember, TikTok will label the ad as sponsored, but if it looks organic and matches intent, users engage with it just like normal content. Using TikTok's AI tools. So TikTok has added features to make search ads smarter. Automated keyword expansion. So after you load your manual list, let TikTok add related searches for extra reach. Smart thumbnails. The system tests thumbnails to see which grab attention in search. Smart multi-text ads. Upload up to 5 headlines, and then TikTok pairs them with queries automatically. These features save time, but always monitor results. Automation can bring in irrelevant traffic if unchecked. Optimization. How to improve performance. So search ads aren't a set and forget type of deal. Here's a simple weekly routine. Check keyword spend. Pause any that are spending but not converting. Look for winners. Increase bids on high performing keywords. Expand lists. Add new suggestions or use the automated tool. Refresh creatives. Every 2 to 3 weeks, upload new videos aligned with top queries. Scale budgets slowly. Raise by 20 to 30% at a time to avoid resetting the learning phase. Pro tip, start with 2 to 3 ad groups. 1 with exact keywords, 1 with a phrase, and 1 with a broader audience. Compare the results and double down on what's working. Ecom and Dropshipping Playbook. For e-commerce and dropshipping stores, here's how to apply all of this. Keyword groups by product type. For a fashion store, one group could be summer dresses, another casual sneakers. Pain point keywords. Think like a shopper. Cheap laptop stand. Best acne skincare. Use seasonal keywords. Holiday gifts. Back to school supplies. Valentine's Day gifts. Landing page alignment. Don't send succulent care clicks to your generic homepage. Send them straight to your plant care kit page. Creative templates. Here's a UGC review style. I tried the best plant for small apartments. Or a tutorial style. How to water succulents without killing them. Offer style. 20% off succulents this week only. By aligning keywords, creatives, and landing pages, you're going to maximize your ROAS. Budgeting and testing strategy. So here's a simple framework for your ad spend. Keep 70 to 90% of your budget in proven in-feed ads. Put 10 to 25% in search ads testing. If search ads deliver cheaper CPAs, gradually scale their share. Remember, not every product works. Test first. If there's search volume and intent, you'll see results. Real-world case studies. A few examples show the power of search ads. Glossier boosted conversion rate efficiency by 188% by targeting skincare searches. American Eagle doubled ROAS and cut CPA by 46%. Eventbrite saw a 66% jump in CTR and 33% lower CPAs by targeting travel and event searches. Steve Madden slashed CPA by more than half while driving incremental ROAS. These aren't magic tricks. They're simply about showing up when buyers are looking. Common pitfalls and fixes. Low impressions? Add more keywords. Loosen match types or raise budget slightly. Lots of clicks but no sales? Check landing page match. If the query was plants for beginners, the landing page must show beginner-friendly plants. CPA too high? Trim wasteful keywords, add negatives, and refresh creatives. Add fatigue? Rotate creatives every few weeks to keep CTR healthy. Before you dive into setting up your own campaigns, here's something that you'll want to know. TikTok's currently running a pretty generous promo for new advertisers. They're calling it their SpendX Get Y deal that gives you free ad credits to test campaigns. So here's the breakdown. Spend $200, get $200 back in ad credits. Spend $500, get $500 back. Spend $1,500, get $1,000 back. Spend $6,000, get $4,000 back. And spend $10,000 to get the maximum of $6,000 back. The catch is you need to hit the spend within 30 days of registering your account. And it only works once per new advertiser. But if you're serious about running search ads and scaling an e-commerce store, then this is one of those rare times where TikTok will literally match part of your spend to help you grow faster. So if you've been on the fence about testing TikTok search ads, then this is probably the best window to jump in. Take advantage of the credit and see what kind of results you can get. TikTok search ads bring Google-style intent targeting into the world of short-form video. For e-commerce and dropshipping, it's a chance to meet shoppers at the exact moment they're looking for what you sell. The formula is simple. Start with 2 to 3 ad groups. Build solid keyword lists with exact and phrase matches. Create videos that match those queries word for word. Monitor, prune, and scale slowly. Done right, TikTok search ads can give you cheaper conversions, better leads, and a steady stream of new customers. So if you've been running only in-feed ads, then now's the time to test search. Show up when it matters most, when someone's literally asking TikTok for what you sell. So if you want to get started with those free ad credits, then go ahead and click the link down below in the description. This is an affiliate link, which means we do earn a small commission when you use it at no extra cost to you. And these commissions really help support the channel and allow us to continue to create free content just like this. So if you end up using it, we thank you so much in advance. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Here on the channel, we're dedicated to helping you succeed with e-commerce by providing tips, strategies, and insights to grow your online business. So be sure and subscribe. But other than that, thanks for watching. We'll see you here in the next video.